that much. And I rub it into my skin. The reason why I really love this stuff a ton, not just because it's not tested on animals and doesn't have animal ingredients, but also because it's very, very, very smooth feeling. Makes my skin look really oily, but it's very smooth feeling. It is January, obviously. I live in a place where it gets very cold and snowy most of the time. Right now it's not snowing at all. But it's very cold and my skin, it didn't used to do this, but now my skin gets really rough and dry. So this stuff saves the day. I do use Bath and Body Works. Their lotions smell really nice, but their lotions burn my skin. They irritate it, make it very red, and make it hurt even more than it does when it's like just dry. So I use this stuff. It calms my skin and cools it down, and instead of irritating it, it fixes it. So I know I already did all this, but I love this noise. Okay, so my last item is this 3-ring binder. I'm going to be doing some tapping, some scratching, and some page flipping. Okay. Thanks for listening, guys. Bye.